Grabe, ang bilis talaga ng panahon. Bare months na, nararamdaman natin na mas lumalamig na ang simoy ng hangin. Talaga namang Christmas is fast approaching. Usually at this time, meron ng mga nagsiset up ng kanilang mga Christmas trees, mga Christmas decors. Maririnig na rin natin ang Christmas carols sa radio. But aside from that, syempre, ang specialty nating mga mommies ay ang cooking. So, to help kickstart the Christmas season, I'll be sharing with you a dish that will surely spice up the Christmas feels for your family. Using, of course, Mega Prime Choices Spicy Oyster Sauce. Ito ang aking chicken in mushroom and oyster sauce. Okay, so we have here our chicken pieces already. What I'm gonna do is marinate this with some salt, brown sugar, and of course, our Mega Prime Choices Spicy Oyster Sauce. Of course, our Mega Prime Spicy Oyster Sauce comes in an easy squeeze bottle. Okay, so let's just mix everything. Make sure that all the chicken pieces are covered with our marinade. We can now start by sauteing our garlic. Okay, now we can start searing our chicken pieces in our pan. So once one side is cooked, we'll now flip it to the other side to continue the cooking process. Ayan, ang ganda na ng kulay ng ating manok. So I have here our Mega Prime pieces and stems mushroom as well. And yung ating liquid from the canned sliced mushroom. So let's add it. We also need 2 cups of water. I'll now be adding our dark soy sauce. Para mas sumara pa, lagyan natin ng Mega Prime Choices Spicy Oyster Sauce. Lagyan natin dito. Ayan. And we'll let this boil and simmer for around 10 to 15 minutes. Sarap! Nako, pwede na to. So I'm just gonna plate it and I'll show it to all of you later. Ang bango. Tapos na ang aking chicken in mushroom and oyster sauce. Nako, Christmas is truly one of the most exciting seasons of the year at syempre kada pamilya may iba't ibang way of celebrating. Pero wag nating kakalimutan, ang pinaka-importanting ingredient is to cherish one another. Kayo, ano ba ang mga pre-Christmas preparations na ginagawa niyo sa inyong pamilya? Please share it in the comment section below. So, sa mga Mega Prime moms, always remember going malinamniyam ang Christmas with Mega Prime.